In this video, I have shared with you beautiful trellis ideas to inspire your next garden project. So, if you are looking to add a new element to your backyard or garden, consider adding a trellis to your overall garden. A trellis is a practical and versatile structure usually made of wood that allows trees and vining plants to grow through the gaps in its crossed design. You can use trellises in gardens, patios, balconies, pathways, and more to create a magical atmosphere. Use it to build flowered archways or patio overhangs or whatever else you can imagine. So watch this video till end and get inspired to create your own unique backyard element. If you have got a balcony or small patio area that could use a little sprucing up, consider setting up a small herb garden in a trellis. Consider a wooden trellis to help create a bright and open garden body. They can help keep your backyard garden neat and organized by setting up rows, columns, and sections. When organizing your vegetable garden, utilize trellises for vegetables that grow tall, like tomatoes. Not only do they serve the function of keeping your garden tidy and neat, they also add a rustic, eco-friendly look to your garden. If you are thinking of a trellis for your home, consider something simple, whitewashed backyard trellis. Whether you are looking to read, nap, relax, or rest out in your garden, having a nice shaded, secluded spot is just what you need. You can also have a pillar terrace to create some fun and unique way to display plants in an eye-catching manner. When choosing the flowers to grow on your trellis, don't forget to consider color as well. While trellises are commonly used to support growing trees, flowers, and vines, they can serve a purely decorative purpose as well. You can use trellis to provide shade and zone of the pathway to create the feeling of privacy and seclusion. Or you can create rose garden with arching trellises. One of the best parts about trellises is that they provide the chance to add a unique perspective to your outdoor design. More than just providing a structure for plants to grow, trellises can provide shelter, shade, and feeling of being surrounded by nature. Imagine having a trellis frame over your patio with string lights hanging through the beams lit up on a warm summer night. These ideas will really amaze you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.